Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Valorant error code 79 in Windows. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually it's occurred due to the Riot client not loading properly, game file corrupted or missing, network firewall blocking Valorant service, or outdated Riot client or Windows. So here we are going to fix that issues. So our first step is to stop all the Riot games. So please enter into the task manager, and if you see any background application like Riot or running application like Riot clients, please end all the tasks related to Riot clients. Once it's done, we are entering into the second step. So here what we are going to do is enable Riot service. So press Windows R and type service.msc as shown on the video and click enter. Once this is done, please find VGC and double tap or right click to enter the properties. Here what we are going to do is we need to set it as automatic and check whether it's in running condition or not. If it's running, please apply and click OK. So our third step is to change app as an administrator mode. So for that, please right click the Riot client and enter into the properties and following compatibility, and please check in run the program as an administrator and click apply and click OK. And our fourth step is to delete DNS cache using CMD. For that, you need to search as command prompt or CMD run as administrator, enter into run as administrator and type ipconfigure //flush DNS and press enter, and it shows all DNS resolver cache is flushed. So once it is done, our fifth step is to repair Valorant. Enter into your Valorant application and your profile and then settings. On the settings, you need to click Valorant, second one, and then click repair to repair the entire Valorant game. Just press start repair. Then close the application, all the Riot client and Valorant application, and restart your system. Once you restart your system, please check whether the application is running perfectly or not. If in case it's not running perfectly, still the error is not solved in the sense, please follow the sixth step is to reinstall the application. For that, you need to uninstall the application first and then reinstall the application once again to solve the problem. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.